First, in order to see how safe we are, we will be just discussing certain question answers and I will be revealing the answers and the reason for that particular safety. So yes, we have to take certain precautions when we are surfing online. For this, a quick quiz is there. When I am online, I should never give out option A, my last name, address, phone number, the name of my school or the team I play for. Option B, the name of my pet. Option C, the name of my favorite book or TV show. Option D, my hobbies. Now take a guess at all these particular options and tell me your answer. Well, your answer should be A. That means my last name, address, phone number, the name of my school or team. Why? Because all this particular informations are private and it shouldn't be revealed to any other person. So, if somebody is asking me about all this particular information of mine, I shouldn't reveal the information to any other person. Question number 2. Before I buy something online or access a site requiring payment, I should first make sure I really want that particular thing which I'm surfing online. Check with my parents. Check out store price first or the bank balance. Obviously, the answer for this particular question has to be check with my parents, because if you are doing online transactions, the other site can be a fake site. They can just store your valuable information, that means your ATM number, your PIN code, your CVV number and all that particular information, all the necessary information will be available on their site. So yes, before purchasing anything online, care has to be taken that we should consult our parents first and then we should purchase it online. Next question, is it okay to give somebody the password? True or false? Obviously, the answer has to be false. Why? Passwords are valuable piece of information, can access someone to allow your email, allow access to your AOL account or any other account which you are having, Gmail account. Each and every account is available with the help of a password or is accessible with the help of password. So yes, your password shouldn't be shared with any other person. Next question. Can I send a photo of myself online when it's to a friend or family member? I have told my parents and they have given me permission to do so. It is to my cyber friend or to everyone I can send who are there online in the list with me. Take a guess of this particular thing and the answer has to be B. That means I should take the consent of my parents before sending the photo to any person. If your parents have given you the permission, then you can send out your photos, but care has to be taken while sharing. The person should be a known person. The photos cannot be shared to somebody unknown person or a person whom I don't know. Next, if someone I meet online gives me his phone number, I should call him right away, give him my phone number also, ask my parents' permission before I call and never communicate with him or her. What is your option in this particular question? Yes, your answer should be you should consult your parents before giving a call, because it is your parents who well known about the other guy. If the other guy is unknown, let your parents handle him, or if you know him, he is your classmate, he is your friend where you have met for certain classes, but before calling him, it's better that you should take your parents' consult and then you can give a call to the person. So these are some of the safety tips which you should take care of when you are surfing online.